Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming a video where I will be doing date night makeup. As we all know, the quarantine has been treating us okay. We all been doing work from home and us being at home and doing stuff. Although I thought, why not do a little bit of makeup and get ready, cheer myself up, and just enjoy the day. Date night makeup is very important. You need to keep it subtle, you need to keep it visible as well. Too much of makeup doesn't attract attention. Non-existent still, yet looking the best version of yourself. Let's get into the video.
Let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach out same as a high, baby. Let me warm you up. Let me love you much.
So let's start our hair first. So now we're going to be applying the primer first. So my primer is colored. Just going to blend it in with the brush. So the lesser we do it by hands in this, the more product is applied on the face and lesser on the hands. So as you can see, it's nicely blended in. So next we're going to be taking our Krylon paint stick. So now the lines that we have made, we'll be brushing it in like the same. And guys, I don't take this much time while I'm doing my actual makeup. I mean, I do it way faster. I mean, people who know me know I can do a makeup, full face makeup with everything in a moving car or an auto rickshaw or anything. So then I take my MAC NC42, just take it up. Hey guys, this is the best product if you want to just, give yourself a very natural look. This is actually 3-in-1. It acts like everything. So when you put it on your face, it kind of covers all the excess makeup that you have on your face, dusts it off, and just, smooths your skin out. Okay, so now since we've done this, we'll go to the bronzing, cut, crease a little bit of the face. So, and just take my little brush and this. Look at that face. Guys, do remember to put it behind your ears also, because your face includes your ears and your neck in here. Alright, since we have done the contouring part, we'll do shadow. So as you can see, this is my favorite color. It's a little like champagne pink, rose gold, and you know, that sort. Also, so since we are wearing red, we'll do something in the pinks only. So I'm just going to be taking the light pink, this color, and putting it all over my eyes, eyelids, and the eye top. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this very light pink champagne. So then I'm going to be taking this color, a little darker. I'm going to be putting it on the outside. So generally after I do this with a brush, I like to just kind of blend it in with my hands. Also, to give this portion a little bit of light, we are going to be taking this, a little lighter shade, very baby pink sort of shade, and just putting it here. So we're done with our face, with our eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna be doing my mascara. Yes, I have my Sephora mascara, and I'm just gonna be as you can see, a little bit, just a little bit on my down lashes. My eyes be popping. In order to make this a little bit more prominent without putting a lot of mascara, is to just take a little bit of powder and just lining up like this. So basically I used this. So I was gonna do the same with this eye. So now our eyes, eyebrows, everything is done. Then I take my glow kit, Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm going to be taking butterscotch. I get my blush. I love coral. I mean, coral goes with everything. Moisturizing lip balm. And then I take my Kiko palette, lip color, take the brown shade and I forgot one thing. So I have my Fiora. It's basically a liquid eyeshadow, but with this I just like to, you know, put a little bit inside on the corner of my eye, drag it out a little bit, gives you a little bit of pop. So now I am date ready. I got my outfit on, I got my makeup on, got my shoes on, I got my hair up in a nice little ponytail. I got everything done, but I don't have a date. So all of you people who have a date, enjoy yourself.